Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start now by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure battery is above 20% and cellular data is stable. Open Settings, then go to Wireless and Networks or Connections. Names vary by model. Tap Mobile Hotspot or Personal Hotspot to enter the hotspot controls. Once there, pause and check current hotspot name and password displayed. This first step gets you directly to the controls, so you can change credentials securely and avoid disrupting active clients. Next, tap Configure or Set up Wi-Fi Hotspot to edit details. Choose a security type. Use WPA2 PSK or WPA3 when available, because stronger encryption prevents easy access. Now enter a new password, at least 8 characters long. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols to increase strength. Confirm the password and save changes. Once done, the phone updates the hotspot immediately, and any connected devices will need the new password to reconnect, which protects your data. Save the settings, then toggle the hotspot off and on so the change takes effect. Make sure your devices reconnect using the new password. You may need to forget the old network on a device before reconnecting. If devices won't connect, reboot the phone first. This resolves most temporary glitches. If problems persist, reset hotspot settings in the same menu, reconfigure with the password again, and check for system updates. One key tip: verify security type compatibility on older devices to avoid handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.